I have the perfect meatless Monday main for you. It's my sweet potato, black bean, and poblano grain bowls, complete with a tangy lime yogurt sauce. It's so delicious, so flavorful, so hearty. You are not gonna miss the meat. Let's get started. First, you need to saute that sweet potato with a little bit of salt and cumin. Then you add in your poblano, your chopped onion, and your chili if you're using it. Give it a good mix. Add in the black beans, add in the green enchilada chili verde sauce, some cilantro, and then make the lime yogurt sauce with just that, lime, yogurt. Give it a good mix, add some cilantro if you want, then spoon it over your rice or grain of preference. I'm using brown rice, and then drizzle over that delicious lime yogurt sauce. Enjoy.